In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a due date in Smartsheet. Adding a proper due date column is really important if you're managing tasks, projects, or timelines because it lets you track exactly when work needs to be finished and use Smartsheet's project features more effectively. Let's walk through this step by step. First, open your sheet in Smartsheet in the grid view. Look for the column where you want your due dates to appear. This will usually be near your task name or description column so that it's easy to see. Once you've decided where it should go, move your mouse to the column header, just to the left of where you want the new due date column to appear. Right-click on that column header. A menu will pop up with several options. From this menu, choose Insert Column Right. This tells Smartsheet to add a new column immediately to the right of the column you selected. Next, Smartsheet will ask you to pick the type of column you want to create. Since this will be a due date, click on Date as the column type. Choosing the date type is important because it allows you to use date pickers, formulas, dependencies, and project settings later on. Now give your new column a clear name. Click into the column name field and type something like due date. Make sure it's spelled correctly since you'll be referencing this column later and you want it to be easy to recognize for everyone using the sheet. You may also see an option to toggle certain settings on for this column, depending on your Smartsheet layout and plan. Go ahead and toggle on the relevant option if you're prompted, such as allowing it to be used in project settings or dependencies. Then click OK to confirm and create the column. At this point, your due date column is added to the sheet. Next, let's connect this with your project settings so Smartsheet can treat it as the official due date field. Right-click anywhere on the grid background or near the left side of your task area to bring up the Sheet Options menu. From that menu, click on Edit Project Settings. A Project Settings window will open. Here, look for a section related to dependencies or project management. Click on Dependencies to enable and configure them. This is where Smartsheet understands how start dates, end dates, and durations relate to each other. Once you've confirmed those settings, click OK again to save everything. Your due date column is now properly set up and ready to use within your Smartsheet project.